Hi everyone, this is Diana from Links. Today I'm going to start to show you another series of our electric scooter, which we call it Harley-shaped electric scooter. Also, someone will call it City Coco. Okay, come on, let me show you more details about this bike. First, let's start with the header again. It's very simple, and so you can see on the left-hand bar, this first one is the emergency flashes button, and second one is high beam and deep beam. Third one is the left light, right light, the steering light, and the third one is the horn. And for all the bike, we have our cell phone case. It's our standard case. It's our standard accessories. And this is the design of our headers. On the right hand, it's very simple. The keys and keyhole here, and also the red button is the mode switch button. We have 3 modes for each bike, and very simple throttle to control your bike. Still, it's an electric scooter, so it's very simple and easy to understand and operate. So why we call it Harley-shaped electric scooter? It's because of the design of, mostly because of the header. So you can see the header design here. Also with this LED light. For Europe countries, we have E-Mark qualified for all the lights here, and also the steering lights, it's all qualified. And let's come down to see the front tire here. It's a 12-inch size tire, and with our disc brake, so we use disc brake system. Okay, then let's come to check the design of the whole scooter. So for this scooter, it's our newly designed scooter for this year. So it's from the design we can see it's compared with the ME and the MEP. It's more classic and retro style, and for this M2 bike, it's more modern design, and we designed for a bigger storage for the battery, so we can have more capacity for the battery and have more range, more power like this. And this is the kickstand. Also, the kickstand has the power off function, so if you lay down the kickstand, the motor power will be cut off, so it's more safer. And this is the foot patch for the rider, so it's more comfortable. And let's come down to the rail to check the rail shock, also the hub motor. We use Quanshan hub motor, and this is the 60 volt 2000 Quanshan hub motor. Also, the seat is big enough for 2, and you can carry your girlfriend together with you. We also have the foot patch for the passenger.
For the keys and the batteries, there are 3 different types of keys. The biggest triangle one, square one, and oval one. First one, find the biggest triangle one, and this is used to start your bike. Clockwise to start, easy as all the other rest of the electric scooters. Then find the square one. This is used to lock your handlebars. In this case, you can make sure the safety of your loved scooters. The last other one is used for the battery cage. The battery is easy to take out and charge indoors. You just need to open the battery cage, unplug the battery, and take it out. The weight of the 20 amp battery is like 18 pounds, so it's easy to carry. Let's see it again closely. Unplug the battery here and take it out. I'm going to show you the quality checking of another model, M2. The first step is always checking the appearance of the scooter. After finish checking all the appearance, we will put in our testing battery to check all the electronic components. This part is checking the header lock function. Then checking the usage of the keys for lock, unlock. Putting the keys to start the scooter and checking all the lights, the horn, the motor. We have a list to mark for each scooter checking. At last, we will also test the climb ability. Apparently, we can see this scooter may met some problems, so we will move to the checking area again to test where is the problem.
Show you how to install the M2 fat tire scooter from the package when you get the package from our US warehouse. When you open the carbon box, you could remove first for the protection foam and take out the toolkit. Check the spare parts list from the package: the fender, tire, toolkit, and keys. Also the mirror, a display, a charger, and a phone holder. First step, assemble the front tire. You need to remove the bolts and nuts from the wheels first. And then find the longer nuts and put on the disc side. And before you slide in your tire, remember to remove the protective part from the brake pads. Push the brake caliper in before you install the front wheel. Then you could install the front tire and insert the bolt. Tighten the nut on the other side of the wheel and pass the bolt through the dropout. Then tighten all your nuts with your wrench. Step 2. Install the handlebar. It's very easy steps just to put your handlebars to the right position and adjust to the angle you want, then tighten the screws. Step 3. Install fender. Remove the nuts and screws before install fender. Do the same on the other side. Put the fender between the forks. Align the screw holes and then screw it in. Step 4. Install LCD display. Remove the screws before installation. Then tighten the screws. Connect the power cable with the arrow. Step 5. Install the mirrors.
Step 6. Install a phone holder. Then connect the power supply and checking all the necessary parts before you're riding on the road. Use your keys to start the scooter, and then check if the display works well. Also, check the cell phone holder and connect with your phone to see if it works well. Then checking all the lights part. The steering lights, left and right. The mode switch button. We got 3 gear modes for this model. And also the flashers emergency lights. Also checking your braking system. And keys for your handlebar lock to see if it works well. Also the seat lock. If it all works well, then you can twist and go. Enjoy riding! Thank you for watching.
Won't back out, you can't ever shut me up, 'cause I'm on a mission and I won't